Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I'm a user researcher for deep security at Trend Micro. We recognize that security is becoming increasingly automated, so that means that you are going to be using the Deep Security API more and more. And to use it effectively, you need to know what you can do with it and how to do it. So to help you with this, we have created the Deep Security Automation Center. Let me take you on a quick tour of it. There are a number of ways you could reach our Automation Center homepage, including a simple Google search of any API or automation questions about deep security you might have. So once you are here, you have access to all of the key aspects of the Automation Center for your chosen platform, including automation how-to guides, the raw API reference information, our SDKs, and where to go to get help or more information. We have even identified some key automation tasks and provided easy access to information on how to achieve them from the homepage as well. Now let's move on to the raw API reference. We view the Deep Security Automation Center as having two types of information. The first is the raw API reference information. Let's imagine that you are looking for information on how to create a policy. If we search for it, you will find all of the necessary information you need to know to use the method, as well as various code examples. Experienced security automation developers might not need code examples, but for those new to DevOps teams or using deep security for the first time, we wanted to provide an easy means to get started. Being able to learn all of the details about the raw API methods is important, but we know that many of you prefer to use helper libraries in the form of SDKs. Let's go look at those. Here, you can download our SDKs and get started using them. Our SDKs support a number of languages such as Python, JavaScript, and Java. Now that you have the SDK, how about some guidance on using them with lots of real-world examples? That's exactly what you will find in our guides, purposely built by developers for developers. The first steps toward deep security automation is the first guide you should look at to get you up and running. It introduces you to the main elements of the API and the SDKs, gets you set up to do some coding, and steps you through your first calls to Deep Security Manager. We have many other guides with information on automation tasks that you can look at, and this list will continue to grow. These guides are full of real-world examples that use multiple endpoints and contain tips and guidance for your security automation tasks. We worked closely with customers on this content too, because it was really important to us that we provide you with useful information. Our tour is almost over. We just wanted to show you one last thing, where to go for help or more information. If you have any questions about the Deep Security API, feel free to post them on Stack Overflow using the Deep Security tag. Our API development team is notified on Slack every time you ask a question. There is a link to Stack Overflow on the support page. You can also quickly access all of our automation resources on GitHub and get to all of the deep security product documentation from this page as well. With deep security and the Trend Micro Automation Center, we are here to help with meaningful information that fits easily into the way you want security to be implemented and maintained across your DevOps teams and hybrid cloud infrastructure.